Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these amazing buttery melting moments. To start off with, place the softened butter into a large mixing bowl. Then sift over the icing sugar, making sure to get all the lumps out. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Using an electric mixer, beat together the butter, sugar and vanilla until it's nice and pale and fluffy. If you don't have an electric beater, you can always use a wooden spoon as well. Set the butter mixture aside and sift together the plain flour and corn flour. The corn flour is what gives melting moments their silky biscuity texture, so I would recommend not substituting that out. Add half of the flour into the butter mixture and give that a mix through. Mix until well combined before adding in the rest of the flour. The mixture should now start to form quite a thick cookie dough. If you find it easier, you can also use your hands at this stage to mix in the rest of the flour. Roll out 1 tablespoon of mixture into balls and place them on a lined tray. Once you've filled up the baking tray, press onto the biscuits to flatten them slightly with a fork. Place the tray in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. The biscuits should still look a light pale yellow when they come out of the oven, but they will have puffed up slightly. To test if they're ready, simply just give them a little nudge on the tray, and if they don't crack, they are done. For the filling, we're going to make a simple vanilla buttercream. To the mixing bowl, add the butter and sifted icing sugar and give it a good whisk together with an electric beater. And don't forget to add in the vanilla extract and continue beating until well combined. The buttercream icing should look beautifully lush and thick and the sugar completely dissolved. You could place the icing into a piping bag to pipe them onto the biscuits, but I find it just as easy to use a butter knife. Finish off the biscuit by adding another one on top and sandwiching the icing in the center. You can put as much or as little of the icing onto the biscuits as you like. I know my family doesn't like it too sweet, so I haven't added too much filling. As the name suggests, these biscuits just melt in your mouth. They are perfect with a cup of tea. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!